Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by securing power and backups so the update cannot fail mid-install. First, plug the device in or confirm the battery is at least 50%. Ongoing installs use energy. Next, back up your photos and settings to cloud or a local computer so you can restore if needed. Once done, free about 2 gigabytes of storage and join a stable Wi-Fi network. This prevents data charges and ensures the download completes reliably. You now fetch and begin the actual update. Open Settings and navigate to System then Software Update. Manufacturers label this differently, so look for Update or About Phone. Tap Download and let the package arrive over Wi-Fi. Make sure power remains connected so the installer won't pause. After the download finishes, accept prompts to install. The device will reboot and apply changes. This phase takes time because the system replaces and optimizes apps, so be patient and avoid interrupting the process. You finish by confirming the update succeeded and resolving any issues. After the final reboot, open Settings right arrow about to verify the new version and check that critical apps are updated. If you notice missing data, restore from the backup you made earlier and reinstall apps. If the device becomes unresponsive or boot loops, try safe mode to isolate apps. If all else fails, a factory reset often resolves system corruption, but make sure your backup is current before erasing the device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.